Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to use the Boltune true wireless stereo earbuds in single pieces. Of course, they usually are intended to use as left and right together, but if you want to be online the whole day and still want to play music, then you have to use them in an alternate way. First, let's say, use the left one and then switch to the right one while you charge the left one, and then again switch back to the left one and charge the right one, something like that. So you can do that, of course. It has about playtime of about 4 hours. If you just use it to make phone calls with standby, it will last the whole day, no problem with that. But if you're playing music, it's just about 4 hours with one charge. So this is how it goes. You take out the first one, so you usually should see a blue light. If there is a blue and red lights, I think this is an indication that it has to be paired. Let's check on that. If it doesn't connect automatically, you have to pair. So the best is then to click here, and maybe it will ask then if you want to pair. If you already paired it earlier, it will just it will just connect. So I'm trying with the other one first. Last time I tried with the one on the right side first, and it was easier. So let's see how it goes. We see blue and red. It says now it says connected. So maybe we have always to start with the right one. I don't know. It's connected, and let's play some music. Yeah, I can listen to that. Hope you have been able to hear that too. So that worked definitely, while the other one was in a closed box and still charging if needed. Now it's full and it was not charging, so I take this one out. I do the other one in, put the other one in, and we see, so it's closed and it will charge the other headset. So now we are going back to the settings and try and see how this really works. And it says connected, yeah, battery 100% remaining. If it's not connected, it could be especially for the first time, if you're using single ones. Like if you had already connected the right one and you were using them together, you don't have to connect the single like the left one. But if you're using the left one as a single piece for the first time, you probably have to click on this icon here in the Bluetooth and then say like connect, or something like that. So we check on the music if it will play as well. So I can hear that. I try that you can hear that too. So it was just the start of the music, but definitely it was working while this one was in the box. So obviously this one was already 100% charged, so no need to charge even more. But so you can really use them really alternately, no problem at all, especially if you have already paired your both of your earbuds, then it shouldn't be a problem. So I'll put that away. So if you have already paired both earbuds, then it shouldn't be a problem. If it's for the first time, you have to make sure both are paired with the Bluetooth settings of your phone. And based on the experience now, I think it's better to start with the right one in the morning. I don't know why, but it looks like I've tried with the left one first, it didn't work. Maybe it was just by accident. Maybe it just happens sometimes. But anyway, and you have to make sure that you close the thing. So as long as you keep the thing open, it doesn't charge and it is still connected to your phone. It has to be closed to that the earbud which you want to charge will be charged and disconnected from the phone. That's really important. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.